so this is how your dashboard is supposed to look when your reefer starts up. And as I mentioned previously, we're gonna make believe we run a load that requires 32-degree continuous run. So we hit set point on the bottom here. Go. 32 degrees. Make sure you hit OK, otherwise you're gonna have one more time that alarm code pop, and your temperature will not change. So you hit yes. Oh, never mind. Didn't make it on time, so we're gonna have an alarm code again. Go into menu. Select. Clear. Exit. Set point. 32 degrees continuous. Hit yes. Make sure you always hit yes. Done deal. Now, once again, if you need to change your mode to a cycle, you just hit the smiley face. Well, actually, no, we do have an OptiSet installed in this reefer, so it won't allow you to do it, but if your company allows you to run at cycle modes, you just press the smiley face.